Welcome to 20 Car. The 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie redefines automotive design with its radical exterior, inspired by Formula One technology. The Valkyrie's low, aggressive stance is characterized by intricate aerodynamic details, including a massive front splitter and active rear wing for optimal downforce. The lightweight carbon fiber construction helps reduce weight while ensuring the car remains rigid at high speeds. Its rear end is striking, with slender LED tail lights and a high-mounted exhaust system that accentuates its race-ready look. The interior of the Valkyrie is as futuristic as its exterior. The cabin is designed to be as minimal as possible, with only essential controls, further emphasizing its focus on performance. The driver and passenger sit in race-style bucket seats, positioned low to maximize aerodynamics. The steering wheel houses most of the vehicle's controls, and a high-definition display replaces the traditional instrument panel, offering critical performance metrics. The cockpit is compact, emphasizing the driver's connection to the machine. Aston Martin has equipped the Valkyrie with a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine developed by Cosworth, producing 160 horsepower. This, combined with an electric motor, brings the total output to 1,200 horsepower. The Valkyrie rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, with a top speed of 250 miles per hour. Its advanced suspension, active aerodynamics, and lightweight design give it razor-sharp handling and extraordinary speed, making it one of the fastest road cars ever produced. Competitors to the Valkyrie include the Bugatti Chiron, Mercedes-AMG One, and Koenigsegg Jesko. Priced at an astronomical $3 million, the Aston Martin Valkyrie is reserved for the most affluent enthusiasts, delivering a hypercar experience that blends cutting-edge technology with raw, unfiltered power.